recruit a team of teenagers with attitudes.
Feet together, bow. That was great, guys. Cameron, I'd like you to go through the new kata for us.
You sure you don't want Josh to do it?
Yeah, I'm sure. Trusting your instincts and your skills is what martial arts is all about. Class, I'll do it with you.
Ernie.
I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4. With a little more concentration, you'll be great in the competition this weekend.
Yeah, if they're giving out prizes for geeks.
I don't remember you being an expert in this field, Bulk. It involves self-discipline, control, knowledge.
I'll tell you what I know. My protege, Biff, is going to crush your wimpy dude in the competition. Show him, Biff.
Now that Finster has sent my Hatchosaurus down to Earth, the Power Rangers will be destroyed once and for all!
Once the Hatchosaurus has stopped the Dragonzord, the Power Rangers won't stand a chance!
They'll be crushed like ants!
Feet together, and bow. All right, peace. See you tomorrow. Yo, Cameron, come here. I want to talk to you about something.
Okay.
Look, man, don't let Biff psych you out just because he's bigger than you.
But what if he cheats?
He'll be disqualified.
I couldn't have done this without you, Zack.
Yeah, you could. You just wouldn't have been able to do all the cool dance stuffs in between. Hey, just remember, I'll be in your corner if you need me.
Thanks.
Let's do it.
Welcome to the Angel Grove Junior Martial Arts Competition. First round competitors, get ready.
All right, Cameron, that's you, buddy.
Hey, Zack, I'm really not sure about those new moves.
Hey, have confidence in your skills. I know you'll make me proud.
I will.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
I read you, Zordon.
Rita sent a monster to Earth. Teleport to the command center right away.
Right. I'll get the other Rangers.
Hi, Jason.
Guys, trouble. We gotta go.
Oh, man. Why now?
Sorry, bro.
Cameron, I gotta go.
What?
It's an emergency.
You can't leave. It'll ruin everything. I can't do it without you, Zack.
Believe in yourself. You can do it.
Zordon, what's happening?
Rita has buried a bird-like monster named the Hatchosaurus in the ground near the power plant. Observe the viewing globe.
Man, that thing's got a serious case of the uglies.
Don't be fooled by its appearance. It is controlled by an ultra-intelligent internal computer called Cardiatron. Your mission is to get inside the Hatchosaurus and disconnect Cardiatron.
Get inside that thing? Oh, gross.
How can we do that?
Have confidence in your skills. I know you'll find a way. Good luck, Power Rangers.
It's Morphin time.
Mastodon! Pterodactyl!
Triceratops!
Saber-tooth tiger!
Tyrannosaurus! We need dinosaur power now! Log on!
In the groove, ready to move. All systems online.
Powered up and ready to go!
All right, let's get to it.
Think we could use some help?
Totally.
Hey, look! It's attacking!
Dragonzord's got him! Let's finish him, guys!
Locked on target. Get ready to fire.
Yeah, let's blast him!
Smash him and crush him!
Tyrannosaurus, fire!
Wowee! Did you see that? The Hatchosaurus is a goner. The Power Rangers blew him into a zillion pieces. He isn't finished yet, right, my queen?
Bring the Power Rangers here at once. The Earth is still endangered by Rita's monster.
Ay, 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 ay!
Zordon, what's wrong?
The Hatchosaurus has not been defeated.
I thought we totally shredded that thing.
You must still destroy Cardiatron, its computer. Observe the viewing globe.
This is impossible.
Looks like we're gonna need the Mega Dragonzord to take this monster down.
I'm finally gonna get rid of those brats today! Thanks to my Hatchosaurus!
But won't the Dragonzord interfere?
No, the Dragon Sword is easy for me to stop. Dragon Sword! Gone is your energy! My spell will make you weak as you hear me speak! My spell will make you weak as you hear me speak!
If we don't stop this thing, it's gonna destroy the Earth.
Remember, there is only one way to defeat the Hatchosaurus.
We must disconnect the Cardiatron.
Guys, it's Morphin time!
Mastodon!
Pterodactyl!
Triceratops!
Saber-tooth tiger!
Tyrannosaurus! You wanna fight? You got it!
He's winning!
No doubt about it, he's a real stinker.
As usual, your plan was brilliant, my queen.
Yes, he's destroying those Power Rangers, just like I said.
Yes, Highness.
I did it! Ah!
You've had it, bird brain! He's tough, but we're tougher. Now it's our turn. Brace yourselves, guys! He's heading straight for us! Something's interfering with his mega receptors. Oh man! We need the power sword now! Our power's down by 50%! Keep it steady, guys! It's time we finish this dude! Alright!
Is going to destroy them.
Looks like we gotta finish him again.
Right!
There's something wrong! Billy, check it out! There's an outside energy force working against the sword. Ritter's got it locked in a spell. It looks like we're on our own.
Oh no! Jade, what are we gonna do?
We've got to disconnect that computer. Aya! Here goes! Aya!
Oh man! Jason!
A visitor, how nice! A pity I must destroy you.
It's over, Cardiatron! I'm gonna break you down!
I'm afraid that the only one who's going to be broken is you, my little power brat. Since I have nothing better to do, I'm going to break you into teensy-weensy little pieces.
Jason!
Here he comes again! Hang on! He's helpless!
Chase! The dragon flute!
It's no use. Your silly little flute is no match for Rita's evil power.
What a bet! Dragon Sword power!
Those power brats got lucky!
Wow, look at that!
It's Cardiatron!
You cannot defeat me.
Oh yeah?
You are a worthy opponent, Power Ranger. A pity I must destroy you.
Yeah! Yeah? We're about to feel the strength of Dragon Sword power!
No! Wait!
Yeah! So much for Cardiatron, not for that geek with the beak! I call on the power of Titanus and the Ultrazord! sword, power up!
Made it to the highest martial arts level.
Wow.
Right. I just hope he's not too mad at me for leaving yesterday.
Oh, he'll chill.
Cameraman, hey, you made it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I had to bail on you yesterday, but I promise I'll be here for the rest of the competition, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
You'll do great, I know you will.
In your dreams, Biff will make mincemeat out of that cream puff. Yeah, mincemeat.
Don't let him psych you, Cam.
You call this a psych? Show him, Biff.
You just stick to the fight plan, you'll do great.
Get him with the new moves I taught him.
Never.
Cameron, use the new leg move.
Hajime! Break! Hajime! Break, center.
Time. The round is over.
Judges call. Winner, Cameron Hayes.
Nice match. Yeah, you too. You were great.
Yeah, buddy. Why didn't you use the secret weapon move I showed you?
What, you mean this one? I'm getting a new coach. So, did I make you proud, Zack?
Absolutely. Proud because you believed in yourself.